What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance, how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate it. Today, guys, I wanted to give a brief update on NIO, take you guys through how you might want to play this based on if you have a short-term outlook on this stock or if you have a long-term outlook on this stock. But without further ado, let's hop to my portfolio and take a look at how we doing today. As you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $34,427.28. On the day, we're down 1%. After hours, we're up just a little bit. If I take you guys 1 week out, we are up 1.8%, almost 2%. If we go 1 month out, we are down over 3%, almost 3.5%. If we go 3 months out, guys, we are up over 17%. If I take you guys 1 year out, we are up right now over 8.5%. And if we go all time, same thing, we're up over 8.5%. You guys know I started this account in January with $0, and I just wanted to show you guys how to properly build your portfolio out as well as build wealth on a journey. And so without further ado, man, I wanted to talk to you guys today about NIO, the run that it has made, and what I need you guys to be doing based on your investment strategy. Okay, so NIO had a great day today. Ticker symbol NIO, as you know, $13.28. It has made a phenomenal run, guys. You know, the last time I told you about this, it was around $7, dropped to $6. It has already doubled depending on where you bought this at. And so for those of you that this stock hasn't doubled for yet, I know that you're very, very close. And so listen, man, that's the importance of following somebody that's going to give you guys the game, give you guys the insight ahead of time so that you can get your positions established. I hope y'all had your 125 shares, but you can get your position established and then you can enjoy the ride up. The next stock we're going to do this with is going to be Nokia. And so just while it's dropping, be building out your position, because the same thing we did with NIO we'll do with Nokia in a couple weeks. Okay, so just be patient, because that's what the stock market is really testing, your patience. Okay, and so listen, man, NIO had a run up, but I need to talk to you guys today for 2 reasons. If you are a short-term investor, I need you to be thinking about when you want to cash out and take profits. You done already made a killing. You guys know I told you, don't be emotional and don't be greedy. That ain't what we do here, and I will never let you guys be that way, at least if you listen to my advice. And so I want you guys to be thinking about your exit strategy if this is a short-term play for you. Okay, do you want to take profits at $13? Do you want to see what it do tomorrow? Regardless, you don't know, but I don't want you guys to get caught holding the bag and the stock takes a major dip in the next couple days because you wanted to see it run up some more. So again, it's up to you, but I'm just telling you in advance, be thinking about your exit strategy if NIO was a short-term flip for you. Okay, if this was a short-term play, then I need you to be thinking like that. Now, for those that's consider this as a long-term play, you guys know NIO has potential to go to $300. So for me, I'm going to hold it a little bit longer. However, the reason why I always advocate that you buy 125 shares is because if you want to take some profits right now, you can take a pretty nice profit from 100 and something shares and still keep some left in the clip, so that if it makes another run, you can still be a part of that too. That's why we really do that, guys. I want you guys to take profits but still have some remaining so that you can continue to eat off of good stocks as the market continue to rises up. Okay, and so listen, man, you need to decide what your strategy is. Let me know in the comments how you plan on playing this and what your strategy is, and how many shares of this did you have prior to this run up. Listen, man, I hope that was helpful. You guys already know we're going to do the best we can to give you guys the up-to-date information on what to do and how to play these stocks. But anyway, up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is paper loss. Guys, I needed to teach you guys this and talk about this today, because one thing I want you to know, you never lose money in the stock market, and I want to teach you what that means and how that's possible. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a stock that I'm down in. I'm very seldom down in positions because you guys know, if you follow me, I buy low and I just crush the stock market. However, in the rare occasions that I'm down in a stock, which I'm going to try to show you today, I wanted to show you how you never lose in the stock market. Okay, so from the little guy that committed suicide, RIP to him, but to anybody that gets down on red days and things of that nature, you never losing money in the stock market unless you sell. And I want to show you guys what that looked like in just a second. So here, as you can see, man, I have a particular company pulled up, and I want you guys to go to my total return. You can even go to today's return. Okay, as you can see, the stock is currently $24.45. Right now on the day, I'm down 3%. So technically I would be losing $86. So a paper loss means I lost $86 today. Total, you guys see I'm down 7.23%, and that equals $190 total that I would be down as a paper loss. Listen, I told you the stock market always goes up. You never lose money, because why? I know Wells Fargo, or this particular stock, you can do this with any stock, but I know this stock, once it gets its act together, it's gonna go back to 25, 26, 30, so on and so forth, okay? But as long as I don't sell, these are what's called paper loss. You just down on the day. It has nothing to do with you actually being down. My money ain't messed up. My money is not affected in no way. Your money is not affected on red days either. You guys need to know this. And so what you need to know is, on the down days, you will be down. Unless you sell, that's the only time you would lose. That's what we often say, unless you sell, you don't lose in the stock market. But if you sell, then you will lose $190, okay? But we're not going to sell, because we know in 2 seconds the stock could be up at $26, and all of a sudden I'm up in the stock 1%. You get what I'm saying? And so if you guys understand that, man, make sure you let me know in the comments if that made sense. I just wanted to bring that to you today. It's called paper losses. That's what you see and get in the stock market. You never lose money for real as long as you don't sell. That's why I preach buy and hold a lot, so you guys can start understanding the game that I give and why I'm saying what I'm saying, okay? Next up, we have our question of the day, and today's question comes from Oscar D. He said, I'm new to investing and have been doing it for a month now. I haven't taken a day off when it comes to learning and researching. I'm 37 with a family, and I'm looking to create generational wealth for my family tree. Just wanted to give you a shout out for helping and making the market relatable. As a minority, I wasn't taught these things or felt like it was possible to learn. That being said, just felt it on my heart to let you know that let's get this money. Salute everyone on this channel. Man, major salute, Oscar, man. I'm gonna call you O for short. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you sharing these words. That's what I'm here for, man. I'm here to make the stock market relatable, but I want to ultimately show you guys it's something that we all can participate in and have great success together. And so again, I sat back for years and I didn't like how the information was taught, and I said, man, I can get a people the game a whole lot easier to make them see what's possible in the stock market. And so that's why I come on camera every single day, man, making sure that if nothing else, I break this stuff down to you, so we take out all the stuff that's trying to make it more complicated than what it really is. Yes, I go and do technical analysis and I have to do a bunch of research, but by the time I get on camera, I just want to give you guys the game plain and simple so that you go out and make a killing, okay? And so listen, I appreciate the question. Salute to you, bro. Keep up the good work, and to everybody on the channel, keep crushing it, and let's keep getting money together. Listen, guys, I make videos like this every week. Make sure if you got a question, you leave it in my comments below, and I'm gonna grab it and add it to my next video. Listen, man, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.